So, welcome everybody. Monday, 2nd of March. Pre-New York session, just a quick trade update from last Friday. So, yeah. The long position on NQ that I forgot to close that has got gap down below SL because of the Iran's war. So yeah, that's actually not as bad as I thought. Could have been much worse. I think the trade ended up like 1.3 R minus 1.3 R. So I expected something much worse. But anyways, yeah, that's as I said, I have to pay for that mistake. This is a major mistake. So anyways, BTC also because of the Iran war, that trade actually TP got hit. Also on Saturday, I think, I'm not sure, but yeah. So that was a 2-hour trade, and on NQ minus 1.3. So New York session in about 40 minutes. I'm actually looking also to explain my bias for the day. So mainly NQ is in a short trend for now, and I will be looking just for shorts. Here trying to reclaim the previous liquidity level. This reclaim is pretty shallow, not quite of a reaction after the reclaim, so that's looking much more like a rejection. I'm not tending or looking to trade this. Mainly I think today I will trade just the opening range setup as market structures is in that way, so not looking for any other kind of setups for now, but we are going to see how that's going to developing throughout the session. So yeah, that is the main point of view of NQ. And yeah, BTC, I will be looking also to short BTC, but my concerns are that's looking much more like a range, and we are sitting right in the middle of the range. So yeah, that's going to be kind of tricky. But yeah, we are going to see how price action develops throughout the session and the opening on the session. So yeah, that is pre-New York session view. So first candle range formed, initial reaction pushed upwards, very strong reaction actually. So that's going to change our bias. Yeah. So on NQ we have to close above this level, above this lower high. That would indicate for us the market structure shift, and then I would be looking just for longs on NQ. As for BTC, as I said, is a really tricky one as of now. Come into a higher low, yes, but this is still looking like a ranging formation. So for me, I would really like to see this to push lower, but if it not, on also NQ, if NQ doesn't break this high, I'm going to still look for shorts. So we are going to see how market reacts. Nothing further. Let's just look on gold. Gold. Yeah, I have an alert on gold. Somewhere around there is a liquidity level. Yeah, I mean, nothing else. I don't intend to trade gold today. So let's just focus on these two assets. So NQ, if it breaks the high, I'm looking for long. BTC, nothing much. If also we have to consider it actually, if NQ is breaking the high and pushing higher, they have some kind of correlation, so most likely BTC is going to also push higher, but yeah, I'm not going with this correlation because this is some kind of would be some kind of an emotional reaction. So let's just stick to the plan. If it breaks, I'm going long. If it not breaks and push lower, we are shorting. And for BTC, we are looking just for shorts. So yeah. Oh, BTC is flying actually. Oh, we just leave it there. What am I looking at? If NQ is also, yeah, so NQ didn't break for now the high, but we need a 1 hour structure break, so I don't think that we are going to see a trade today. Just if we are looking for markets reversing completely and pushing lower. So yeah, but I don't know. So as of now, crypto running, gold also moving, BTC as well, crypto running, and equities actually indexes, yeah, not so much. So patience. So as of now, BTC is flying, actually flying. So yep, I am looking now for some kind of liquidity reaction. If a system appears, I'm going to take that. But opening range system is out for now on BTC. I'm looking just for swing setups for liquidity, the liquidity setup that I'm trading. Then NQ as of now, we still need a break of structure, a market structure shift or market structure break, whatever you want to call it, on the 1 hour. So actually we break out from the range, we could enter here in a trade, but because we don't have the market shift for now, I am not looking for any trade setups. I will be waiting for the 1 hour structure to be broken, and then maybe I will consider to enter in the long position on NQ. But till then, just patience. So NQ manages to make a market structure break. This is a kind of tricky one actually, because not much of a reaction. First of all, that is the main point. So no clear follow through, but no worries. Let me just set off. Been actually training already, so couldn't expect to happen. So the market structure break to happen. So also we place the buy order. Let me just set the stop loss. Yeah. So also we place also our stop loss. So the trade plan is for this one is pretty simple. We have an early invalidation if that happens so. And let me just close this. And also we have this liquidity level right around our entry point. So if price starts to break structure again on the 15-minute to the downside, we have our early invalidation, and also we have motherfuck you. So yeah, we enter the trade right now. All right. I place that. Yeah. Let me cook. I hate MetaTrader. Anyways, so can't even draw here, motherfucker. Anyways, so If we start to break structure right around this liquidity level and breaking structure to the downside, we have for this trade, we have an early invalidation and also an entry trigger for the next setup. So here I got the alert on my phone. I was away from home, so I closed the position at the long position and opened the short position as planned, and actually I got stopped out immediately.